Touching, but rip mine out for her, and I'll put it in a jar, or I'd bury it, whatever she'd prefer. It's all hers to keep, as long as I still get to lay next to her as I sleep. I know she'll choose heaven before me, but if I was with her, I know where heaven would be.
This car has been sitting in my backyard for over 7 years. It's been neglected and forgotten. This is the beginning of a journey that will showcase the progress of repairing my dad's old SAAB. It's time to bring it back to life.
We've grown up following the same high-strung religion. Been brought up on timid morals and cautious traditions. No wonder it's like this. I have to let it go. Can't keep my love as is. I know she'll choose heaven before me, but if I was with her, I know where heaven would be.
This car holds many memories for me. I remember sitting in the back seat, looking out the window. This car is more than just metal and wheels. It holds a lot of emotional value. This is the very car that got me into working on cars. This is a symbol of my passion, and that's why I finally decided to restore it. We need to fix a lot of things on this car. The brakes, the suspension, probably do something about the engine too. I don't know the extent of the rust damage. This is going to be a long and challenging journey, but I'm excited to share it with you. Let's get to work and restoring my dad's old beat-up SAAB 95.
I know she'll choose heaven before me, but if I was with her, I know where heaven would
If you want to help out the channel, just leave a like and comment down below what you think of the video. If you want to follow this project or any of my other projects, just remember to subscribe. And if you want to see whenever I upload, you can hit that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.